guys, welcome back to my channel. So we finally arrived here in Germany and look how cute this little hostel is. There's everybody, we're finally here. Oh, look how cute it is. Alright guys, so now I'm upstairs and this is my room. All of my roommates are unpacking. Look how cute it is. Hey. Say hi everyone.
Wait, you know what? Guys, did you see the castle up there when we came in?
Yes, I did.
We should totally go up there. Like, so when we're done here, so just walk up. So beautiful.
I'll take lots of videos up there. We'll go and see the castle later on.
Yes,
so excited.
Please.
Hey guys, so we're on our way up to the castle and we're super excited. How are you guys feeling?
I'm feeling great. Lovely.
Oh, Matthew, what?
Take a fat nap. PH.
Yes. It's so pretty here.
So many plants. Oh, I love my.
What the heck? Don't be a party pooper, Maddie.
So thirsty. Look at this tunnel. It's like so spooky. Almost there. Almost there.
Especially with the GoPro, the lighting looks really cool. Wow. I'm so excited for the view at the top. Oh my gosh, look at the castle. I'm so excited. It's so pretty.
Everything.
I know.
Sunshine. It's beautiful.
Na, hallo, du hast aber schöne Haare und Kätzchen mag ich auch und Hündchen und Eichhörnchen.
Wow, look at this. Like, look at the
view
city.
is so
It's
pretty.
beautiful. It's so pretty.
Look at all the vineyards too.
Look at the castle. Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, this is just
so pretty.
amazing.
I know. I can't get over this.
It's just, you look at it and it just smacks you in the face. The red roofs. There are so many churches.
I know there are, but I'm just. It's so hot.
I mean, it's not that
I'm like,
bad.
it's so hot.
Oh my goodness, guys! It's like a selfie. It's so pretty. Wait, where is everyone? Over dramatic. It's okay. Man, I don't get any reception. Time for me to die.
Oh my gosh.
Go back. Watch out.
Yeah, do exactly not what Marco does.
Oh my.
What do I have to do now?
Just stand like.
Hey Marco, come over here. Okay. Stand here, Marco.
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 Marco. We love you, Marco.
So which side? This one or this one?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. As long as you just like.
Just whip it off and be like, just smile at the camera.
Just smile?
Yep.
Oh yeah, please break my neck. I'll do it. You tell me when to do it, okay?
And give a wink.
Okay, ready?
We're filming.
3, 2.